Welcome to the eSignature module, your secure, streamlined solution for digital signing. In this walkthrough, we will cover the email settings feature. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the module. From the drop-down, select Organization Settings to access configuration options. Email settings provides flexible controls for managing email communications, such as define the mailbox used to send contracts, set a custom reply to address for recipient responses, switch email addresses based on organizational needs. To configure these, go to Email Settings located in the left pane under Organizational Details. Once the default email is activated, the toggle to receive replies is enabled. However, some organizations prefer a shared mailbox, like, for example, contracts@xyz.com over individual email addresses. To route replies to a different mailbox, either disable the toggle or select Add Reply to Email. Enter the email address in the pop-up and click Add. That's it. Replies will now be directed to your newly added mailbox. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more WayMore tutorials, and remember, with WayMore you achieve way more.